wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, class.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I'm good. How about you?
Fine, I'm good. Thank you for asking. And is everyone here today? Not yet. It's not coming. Oh, I can't see it actually. Okay. Before we start our program today, let's start our program today by reciting Basmalah together.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
So, in the previous meeting, we have discussed about descriptive text. Do you still remember our materials in the previous meeting?
Not really.
Okay, let's review a bit. So, descriptive text. What is descriptive text? Descriptive text is a text to describe something, someone, or places. So it is not about we describing about just only something, but also person and places. But in particular way, it is not we describing like mountain. We're not describing all mountain in this word, but particular mountain like Semeru mountain or Kelut mountain like that. And places, we don't describe like something general, but we describe something particular. And also, when we want to describe like an animal, cat, we cannot describe just cat. No, we cannot do that. We have to describe like my cat or your cat or Lily, my cat. For generic structure, there are two structure. For the first is general statement. So the writer states the thing which would be described. When you want to describe something, you should mention what you want to describe. You cannot just go with your describing without you mention first your describing thing, right? And the next is description. So the writer describes the thing physically. It can start from the most common information to the most special and particular information. So maybe you can start your describing with something that everyone can see and everyone knows about it, and you can after that you can go with something special, something particular. And the last is language features. The language features for our descriptive text. First is using descriptive text uses present tense because it is describing something and it would be general fact. So we use this present tense. Descriptive text also use descriptive language. Example, Borobudur is the biggest temple, or Borobudur is the oldest temple in Indonesia. So it is describing the thing that you want to describe. And the last is using specific participation. Like I have told you before, like we use something particular, Borobudur, Sewu, or my cat. It cannot be a random cat or all the cat in this would know. We cannot do that. We should go with something particular. So, have you fresh your mind, your brain about descriptive text?
Yes.
Okay. Now, we will move to the next activity. I want you to divide. I want you to make a group contained by 3 people, 3 and 2. Yeah. You decide or I decide?
You decide.
Okay. Akfa with Pia and Tika. Zakia with Novel and Lisa. And Elnika with Dina, Denny, Aisyah, and you. Okay?
Okay.
Oh, Elnika with Denny, Aisyah with okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
So, each group, I want you to make a discussion to describe the picture in the slide. The picture is not just this, but also this,
Wow.
this, and this. Something looks serious, right?
Yeah.
So, Tika's group, which one you want to choose? This one, this one, this one, or this one? Chop, chop.
At the car, sorry.
Car, okay. Bazakia's group, which one?
The necklace.
The necklace,
Yeah.
okay. And Lisa's group, which one?
I'm Bolivia.
Oh, okay. Elnika. The house, or it's a house actually, or the dress. Dress, okay. For Aisyah, you describe the house. So, if you want to, I'll give you 5 minutes, and you should follow the genetic structure and the language features of descriptive text, and you only need to make like a paragraph, I think, like contain only sentence, 3 or 4 sentences, it's enough. Okay, you got my point?
Yes.
If you want to, if you want me to move the picture, just tell me, just let me know, okay?
Aku mau apa?
Itu rumah rumah.
The classic. Actually, it's $80 billion car. The dress, okay, the dress. The house.
Apa-apa?
And this is the necklace.
Apa? Tak tulisin aja.
Ada pun bos. Bos.
Ya, house.
Okay, 1 minute left.
Turun. Pakai
Iya kan mau home tuh.
Iya.
House. House apa kamu?
house.
The Future City tuh mau.
No,
Iya.
itu.
Oh kan The Future City.
Oke.
The futuristic.
Iya. Kok bisa kayak gitu?
It is a house.
House.
$100 million house.
Wow.
It has.
Yeah, and also helicopters and yacht.
And then
And also has their own
Swimming
water
pool? Oh my god. Apa ya?
This is futuristic.
Don't forget to make
Futuristic.
This
general
picture.
statement first, and then move to and then the description. Don't forget to
So,
put the general statement.
BL house rumah tulisannya kayak gini.
Futuristic beautiful house.
Gimana? Futuristic tambahin.
Yes, go on. Beautiful house.
Tulisannya
Maybe
kayak
you
gini.
can
And futuristic
give
house.
a name
And
to the
futuristic house.
items. It is also good.
And futuristic. This house located near the city, the sea.
Okay, time's up.
And futuristic. And then
This house
this house.
yeah,
This house
near the sea.
Okay, time's up.
Nearly.
First,
Dekat
who
dengan
wants to
dekat
come forward
dengan laut.
first?
With the sea.
Oh, I think I shall choose here.
With the sea.
Yeah.
And then
Zakia,
See.
can
And
you
there
come
is-
forward to present your work?
a swimming pool.
And surrounded by tall mountains.
Yeah.
And surrounded
For
by
only
tall
one
mountains.
person, it's enough.
Surrounded
Ya,
by
betul.
Come, come, come.
tall mountains.
Or maybe Eulika wants to come first. It's okay.
By
Yeah. Okay. Oh, you too. Okay. Okay.
Oh, surrounded by
mountain.
tall mountains.
Tall
Mountains.
Yeah.
Descriptionnya, apa description?